So right now we are cruising back to Candy's apartment. We need to pack our luggage and we are ready to head to our next destination. Today we are flying to Danang. I think this is a meat street. Like you can see, everybody is selling meat here. Oh, how quiet, Daula. Whoa, what can you so in so this is our house. So like you see, she's going to park her bike inside. Jun. Let's go. We are on the way to the airport. Right now we are in a taxi and we are flying to Danang. It's going to be fun. I am so excited. This is so messy. You have no idea what's the line look like. Where are you going? There is people everywhere. You have no idea what's the line order at all, right? We can do 20 kilograms and we have 19. Whoop, whoop. Let's go. Whoop, whoop. Flying to Danang. Whoop whoop! So we just landed in Danang. Let's go! Okay. So we are going to get to Marble Hill. We will try to get to Marble Hill. It's about 17 minutes away. Let's go. Yo bien, Zobi, Jelly. Huh? Yo bien? So we are in Marble Mountain, so I'm about to climb the mountain. My beautiful girlfriend have pain in her foot with beautiful high heels. She's staying here. I'm going to climb by myself and I hope it's going to be really fun and she will be waiting for me here. Zaijian, adios, let's go. Okay. So I heard that if you should not skip one thing in Danang and you have to do something, so this is the one thing you have to do. You have to come to Marble Mountain and climb it. There is a way, I think, to use a cable card, but this is not what we're going to do. We're going to climb this mountain with our feet. It's a beautiful day, shiny, super fun. So let's go. Okay, so I'm here at the entry. It's very beautiful. So look at this beautiful 2023 sign. Lots of water. Waterfall. I'm not sure even if it's natural or man-made. So let's go and buy tickets. This is an elevator, so I think there is a way to use an elevator. So you probably can pay for the elevator and you don't have to climb all the stairs. But we are here to climb the stairs and we are not going to use the elevator. So let's see, where do you buy tickets? Okay, I have no idea what the cost of this place, but we will find out right now. The entry ticket is 40,000, elevator tickets is 15,000. She was selling tickets just for the elevator, but we are not coming to climb mountains with high heels. So we don't need elevators. So I have no idea where do you buy tickets. Okay, so here I found finally the tickets office. One So she needs to give me 460. Okay. Come on. 460. Okay, so I just purchased a ticket for 40,000. And I have here cute man. Thank you so much. So like you, how many stairs are there?
120.
Wow, look at this beautiful dragon. Okay, so while I'm climbing up, guys, I will give you just a little bit background or history about this place. So the Marble Mountain is a cluster of 5 marbles and limestone hills located in Nuang Hang Son district, south of Danang. The 5 mountains are named after the 5 elements. Cave. So let's go in. Oh, so cool and nice here. There's lots of beautiful natural light here. There's smoke here. Oh, the smokes come from here. Are they playing Mahjong? Look at this. They're playing a traditional Chinese game. I think it's called Mahjong. They always put food for the Buddha. There is more in. So let's see. Oh, lots of smoke coming from everywhere. This is something that I'm having a really hard with. Religious, beautiful mountains with lots of Buddhas. And then you have all this garbage. Cannot tolerate it. Okay, the speech is over. Let's continue. The light is shining here. So one of the tour guys, the Vietnamese, he said you can climb up. So I'm going to climb up and see what's going on there. Oh wow, there is a lane Buddha here. Look at this, if you don't climb, you can't see. So nobody else climbing, just me, so hopefully they won't kick me. So there is a cave here. Did climb up, and now, wow, look at this beautiful light coming. Everything, like you can see, made from marble. Everything made from marble. It's good. Everything marble, yes. She's saying everything made from marble. So there are more to go in. Okay. It's really interesting, the water that's dripping here. Wow, look at this beauty. And there is a little bit light coming from the top. Beautiful. Like you could see before, this whole area is made for marble stones. So this is really popular and famous. I really would like to learn more about it. If they come and carve it from the mountains where they have so much marble, because like you could see when we were driving, we stopped on the way. It's lots, like tons of stores here with marble sculpture, and it's really, really famous for making marble sculpture from marble stone. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. All made from marble. Let's continue so we can climb a little bit more up. I think I just maybe halfway to the top of the mountain. It's just so pretty here, so I'm just exploring and taking my sweet time to walk around. All these sculptures made from marble. This is very, very cool. Oh, look at this beautiful pagoda. It's look like we can go inside. And again, everything, I know I said it like 1,000 times, everything is marble. The stone, the walls, the Buddha. So if you compare it to the Thai culture, let's say that everything is gold paint, so this one is definitely a little bit more high quality made sculptures. Gorgeous view. The sun is so nice to us today compared to the last few days that was so cold. The one thing that you see in Vietnam, everywhere you travel, they love to take pictures. I know I'm talking about it a lot in my videos, but they literally like to take pictures. They will set up the whole situation, beautiful for Instagram, so you can see it. You can take a picture. They will dress up especially beautiful with high heels and makeup just to come to these beautiful places and to take a picture. So this is really interesting, but they will set up the whole thing. The chairs, the flowers, the tree, the window, so you can just put yourself in, pretend to take pictures, and it's really, really cute. Oh my goodness, definitely worth the climb. Look at this cute view.
Quay camera mới làm vlog. Mới làm vlog.
Okay guys, so I'm going to give you a really honest opinion about this place. So it's definitely beautiful. So definitely if you're in Danang, you should come and check it out. You can spend here hours and hours and hours. I probably walk around here for around an hour and a half and taking pictures. I saw prettier temples in other places. If you never saw a temple and you want to come and check it out, so you definitely should come and walk around. So when you come out, there is a lot of souvenirs, and you can buy this marble little statue. It's cute. Some bags, some ice cream, marble stuff, lots of shopping, like I'm saying. People are jumping on you everywhere, so be careful. Overall, it's very nice, it's very cute. After you travel for so long time around the world, sometimes it's really hard to get impressed. It's really, if you're in Danang, you should come and walk around and climb. You can take the elevator. It's not very expensive, it's 40,000, so it's cute, it's very, very big.
放空拳，能量带入两臂，二手，绕脚一周，从体后上来，能量带入两臂，明掌。
Candy is really excited to take videos or pictures of the waves, because I don't think she have too much life opportunities. So she's very happy. Piao Lian Ma. So, okay, thank you for joining me, and I see you in my next video. Bye. So if you're in Danang and you
有白胡椒
blood, she said it's called dabbing. She said you're supposed to hit somebody.